Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to figure out which QuickBooks product you have. Whether you're managing your business finances or just need to confirm your subscription details for accounting purposes, knowing exactly which QuickBooks edition you're using is essential for understanding your available features and billing. Let's start by going to QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online platform. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your business finances and activities. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. This is your gateway to all the configuration and account management options within QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the Settings menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several categories. Under the Profile section, you'll find an option called Billing and Subscription. Click on this option. This section houses all the information related to your QuickBooks subscription, including payment methods, billing history, and most importantly, your current product details. Once you're in the Billing and Subscription section, look for the area labeled QuickBooks Products or Subscriptions. This is where QuickBooks displays the name and edition of the product you're currently subscribed to. You'll see comprehensive details about your active subscription plan listed here. Pay close attention to the product version shown in these details. QuickBooks Online typically offers several tiers such as Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. The version displayed here tells you exactly which tier you're on and what features are available to you. This information is particularly useful when you're comparing features or considering whether your current plan meets your business needs. As an added benefit, this section also gives you the flexibility to manage your subscription. If you find that your current plan doesn't align with your needs, you can cancel your plan, downgrade to a lower tier if you're not using all the features, or upgrade to access more advanced capabilities. And there you have it. You now know exactly which QuickBooks product you're subscribed to and where to find this information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.